Good morning everyone. Today once again start class 10 chapter linear equation. So in my previous class I did the introduction of linear inequation. What is the meaning of natural number, that is n? What is the meaning of whole number, that is w? What is the meaning of integer, that means mentioned by I? Okay, so now we start from the example number 3. Now third example. So question is given here. X by 2 plus 5 less than equal x by 3 plus 6 is a question. X by 2 plus 5 less than equal x by 3 plus 6. And one more thing is mentioned here, where x is a positive odd integers, where x is a positive odd integers is a main positive and odd. So let's start the sum. First step, x by 2 plus 5 x by 3 plus 6. Now we separate the like terms. Like terms are x by 2 in this side and right hand side x by 3. They are like terms. And 5 and 6 they are like terms. So first to separate the like terms. As it is, write x by 2 and now this plus x by 3 is now minus x by 3. Because we change its side from right hand side to left hand side. Next, less than equal plus 6 as it is here, and now this plus 5 is now minus 5. Same reason, because of changing this side from left hand side to right hand side. First we take the LCM, because these two numbers, they are different denominator. This contain 2, here is 3. That's why we take the LCM. I already know that LCM of 2 and 3 will be 6. So now 3x minus 2x and this one 6 minus 5 1. Clear? 3x minus 2x x by 6 less than equal 1. Now the cross multiplication 6 into 1, it will be 6. That is x less than equals to 6. Now the last part we have to find here the set of solution. It's indicate the value of x less than equal 6, and this part already mentioned over here, where x is a positive odd integers. Only positive odd integers are there. That means we find a set of solution. Therefore, the set of solution is, it will be, it indicate x less than equal 6. That means, and it's mentioned positive or integers. That means the first number is 1, second 3, and third one 5. That is the answer. Because 1, we know that 1, 3 and 5 are odd positive integers. Clear? So the first step to separate the like terms here, x by 2 and x by 2 minus x minus 3. Here less than equal 6 minus 5. Next step, we take the LCM 2 and 3, that is 6. So 3x minus 2x, and this one 6 minus 5 1. Next step, already know that 3x minus 2x means only x, and denominator is 6. Is this side less than equal 1. So overall this 6 and 1 then cross multiplied, and x less than equals to 6. These are actual sums, and according to the statement is mentioned x is a positive integers. That's why we have found here the set of solution is 1, 3 and 5. Clear? This was sum number 3. Let's continue sum number 4. Okay? So sum number 4. Question is given 1 greater equal 15 minus 7x greater 2x minus 27. So question, and one more thing is mentioned, x belongs to n. That means natural number. So for this kind of sums, we are going to separate in two parts. The first part from 1 greater equal 15 minus 7x and from 15 minus 7x greater 2x minus 27, the second part. So first, we have to solve the first part. 1 greater equal 15 minus 7x. Now separate the like terms 1 and 15 as it is, they are like terms. Minus 7x. This one 1 minus 15, now minus 14 minus 7x. Minus 14 by 7, because this 7 when you come to this side, that means it is in denominator form. Minus 6. 7 to the 14. So it will be minus 2 greater equal minus x. Now we are finding here the value of positive x, not negative. For that reason, we are going to cancel out minus sign on both the sides, left hand side and right hand side. So one thing remember, when we are going to cancel out the minus sign both the sides, on that time this sign which is greater equal, now it's converted into lesser equal form. Okay? So solution of first part, 2 less than x. Clear? Now second part. (15 minus 7x) greater 2x minus 27. In the same way, we have to separate the like term 7x minus 2x, because it's plus 2x, now in minus 2x greater than minus 27, and last 15 is now in minus 15 because we changed the side. Plus minus is now plus, that is minus 9x, this one minus 42. Once again 42 by 9, minus sign is there, 3 3s are 9 and 3 14s are 42. Okay, so minus x minus 14 by 3, but we are finding here the value of positive x, not negative one. That's why in the same way they cancel out the minus in both the side, and this greater sign now in converted into lesser. By 3. So 14 by 3 means 4.6, near about 4.66. The solution of first part is solution of second part. Now, clear? Now we have to merge these two parts. That means here it's indicate 2 less than x and it's indicate x less than 4.6. That means the value of x exists in between more than 2 and less than 4.6. Therefore, the set of solution is, here one thing is mentioned x belongs to n. That means natural number. Natural numbers are only the positive numbers. We start from 1 and it's indicate the value of x belongs greater than 2 but less than 4.6. That means 3 and 4. This is the answer. Clear? The sum number 4 is complete over here. Okay.